Hey, Lee Cole here, and want to tell you about something really cool. Tomorrow, which is Tuesday, the 5th of June, Jack Hopman and Anthony Devine are launching a brand new product. And what it is, it's a done for you, one-click install local ecom website that you can sell to your clients and get paid monthly for. Now, Jack's actually got students making $1,000 to $2,000 just for installing this and managing it. What we're looking at here is monthly recurring income. Okay, so we're not talking about really a one-off payment. We're talking about monthly recurring income. I've got an example of the website that Jack Software will install. It's right here. And I'll include this example in wherever you are, whether you're on YouTube or you're on my bonus page or whatever. We'll include this for you. Here's the website. As you can see, it's got everything that an ecom website needs. Product descriptions, all that stuff, all the policy, company, our business, everything that you need, shopping cart, everything that you need to set up a really good ecom website. Here's the deal. Local businesses are getting killed by the likes of Amazon, Walmart, Target, because, it's just so easy to go to Amazon, search, find whatever you want to buy, you pay, and then, tomorrow the UPS truck or, the post office or wherever you live, they roll up to your door and hand you the item. That's pretty easy. Again, this process, though, is killing local businesses. Wouldn't it be nice if local businesses could compete within their local market with the likes of Amazon, Target, and Walmart? And that's what you're helping local businesses do. There are zillions of local retail businesses that need an ecom website. This would dramatically expand their revenues for them, because instead of you having to get in your car and go over there and pick out the item and then, buy it, you would be able to shop online on their own version of this website and buy it just like you do from Target. And a lot of people want to do that. A lot of people are going to really love the convenience of shopping online with the whole idea of shopping locally and supporting their local economy. This is a great product that needs to be so that would be easy to sell to local businesses, and frankly needs to be sold to local businesses. Now, Jack Hopman and Anthony Devine have partnered up, and they're bringing this to the market tomorrow on the 5th of June. I'm going to send you some information about when it launches, or, if you're on YouTube just looking at this video and you're not on my email list, just scroll down. You will see a link that will go to my bonus page, and that'll have all the times and dates, etc., etc. You can read, I'm not going to sit here and read a sales letter to you. You can read a sales letter to yourself. The key is this is a phenomenal ecom website. It's super easy to install. It requires zero technical know-how, and you're going to really be helping local businesses and being paid very well for setting this up. Again, my name's Lee Cole. Thank you so much for looking at this. Talk to you soon.